Imagine a world where predators wear their prey's faces, moving undetected amongst their next meal. This isn't science fiction. It's the brutal, beautiful reality unfolding every second in our own backyards. At the macro level, nature reveals a hidden truth. Survival depends on master deception and intricate sensory perception. Tiny creatures navigate a landscape of colossal challenges, constantly outwitting death with astonishing precision. Our human eyes perceive a vibrant, green tapestry, but beneath this familiar surface lies an entirely different dimension. This miniature realm pulsates with life, where every leaf becomes a battleground and every dewdrop an ocean. Scientists have spent decades peering through powerful lenses, uncovering an alien universe invisible to the naked eye. They reveal complex behaviors and evolutionary masterpieces, showing us that simplicity is often a clever disguise. Consider the seemingly inert patch of moss or the delicate petal of a flower. Each harbors a bustling, unseen metropolis. Here, creatures smaller than your thumbnail execute strategies more sophisticated than any human military maneuver. Hunter and this hunted, comprehension, relying on silently. Comprehension demanding our closer observation and profound respect. Understanding these hidden truths fundamentally alters our perception of the natural world and its incredible resilience. It pushes us to question what else remains unseen, right under our very noses, waiting for discovery. This intricate biological theater reminds us that immense complexity often exists within the smallest packages. Take the orchid mantis, an exquisite predator perfectly camouflaged among flower petals, waiting motionlessly. Its delicate pink and white body mimics orchid blooms so precisely. Unsuspecting pollinators land directly upon it. This visual deception is just one facet of its genius. Its movements are almost imperceptible, blending with the breeze. But that's not the strangest part. Some species even emit a scent identical to the flowers they imitate. Imagine a hungry bee, drawn in by the promise of nectar, only to find itself ensnared by razor-sharp forelegs. Another master of disguise is the stick insect, which can remain absolutely still for hours, falling stiffly to the ground, indistinguishable the ground. Their bodies are perfectly sculpted to mimic bark and branches, even swaying gently to simulate wind-blown foliage. This incredible mimicry extends beyond appearance. Some species will even play dead, falling stiffly to the ground. How do these creatures achieve such flawless imitation, evolving over millennia with such astonishing accuracy? Expert entomologists explain that natural selection relentlessly favors individuals with the most effective disguises. These minute differences accumulate, gradually refining camouflage into an art form bordering on magical realism. Consider also the ingenious chemical warfare waged by certain bombardier beetles, a truly explosive defense. When threatened, they mix two precursor chemicals inside their bodies, ejecting a boiling, noxious spray. This precise chemical reaction, controlled within specialized glands, can deter even large predators like birds. But wait until you hear what comes next. Some species can aim this spray with remarkable accuracy, rotating 270 degrees. The sound itself, a distinct popping, serves as an audible warning, amplifying the beetle's impressive intimidation. Such sophisticated biological engineering exists everywhere, from the venom of tiny spiders to the traps of carnivorous plants. Many plants, for example, communicate through complex chemical signals released into the air or soil. They warn neighboring plants about impending insect attacks, triggering defensive compound production in their allies. It's like a secret, invisible network of alarm calls, coordinating a collective defense against herbivorous threats. These chemical conversations, undetectable to us, represent a fundamental, pervasive aspect of plant survival. And then something unexpected happens. Some fungi even hijack insect brains, turning them into zombie slaves. The Ophiocordyceps fungus forces ants to climb high branches before killing them, ensuring optimal spore dispersal. This parasitic manipulation highlights a darker, more unsettling aspect of the hidden truths in nature. It demonstrates a level of biological control that challenges our assumptions about individual autonomy in the animal kingdom. Scientists suggest these fungi have evolved specific understanding these compounds to hidden target and manipulate the ant's mechanism's central, offers nervous system. This microscopic exploration fundamentally changes how we perceive the world beneath our feet and above our heads. It reveals an ongoing evolutionary arms race, a continuous cycle of innovation and counter-innovation for survival. Scientists suggest these fungi have evolved specific understanding, these compounds to hidden target and manipulate the ant's mechanisms central, offers nervous system, invaluable insights into biomimicry and engineering solutions for humans. Imagine developing new materials that self-repair, inspired by the resilient structures found in insect exoskeletons, or perhaps creating advanced sensors that replicate the incredible visual and chemical detection abilities of insects. This knowledge reinforces the profound interconnectedness of all life forms, even the smallest and seemingly insignificant. The delicate balance maintained by these intricate interactions ensures the health and stability of entire ecosystems. Disrupting just one element, like a particular pollinator, can trigger cascading effects across an entire food web. It underscores the critical importance of biodiversity conservation, protecting every species, no matter its size. Each tiny creature holds a unique piece of the puzzle, contributing to the grand tapestry of life on Earth. This deeper appreciation fosters a sense of wonder and urgency, inspiring us to protect these fragile environments. The hidden truths of macro nature remind us that there is always more to discover, always more to understand. Our limited human perception merely scratches the surface of an infinitely complex and utterly fascinating universe. These discoveries provide a humbling perspective on our place within the vast, intricate web of existence, the unseen world of close-up nature teams with unparalleled beauty, ingenious survival, and profound hidden truths. Every tiny organism plays a vital role, executing ancient strategies that continue to baffle and inspire researchers. This journey into the miniature reminds us to look closer, to question assumptions, and to appreciate the intricate details. If you found this glimpse into nature's secret world truly captivating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Please also leave a comment below sharing what hidden truth about nature fascinates you most.